Hello guys, how are you? So in our previous tutorials for Revit Structures certified examination, we finished with how to create a concrete slab and floors. So we discussed what is the difference between a concrete slab and a floor in Revit Structures. Okay, so now in this tutorial we will be discussing about that how to create and modify a stepped wall foundation. Okay, so I'll minimize this syllabus. I'll go to my Revit structure. I'll go to my structure tab. Now I will just make a wall. Okay, in my plan view, that is my level 1. So I'll just select a basic generic wall, and you can see my wall is not visible because of the instant properties. So I'll just keep my location line to be in center, and the top level I will select unconnected, and I will select base offset to be 0. Now I'll just draw. You can see I am able to draw a wall in my plan. I'll just take 10 meter. Before that I will just confirm my units. I will press UN for the units. I will select the length to be as meter and my decimal points to be 3. I'll just press OK. So now we are confirmed that our units are in meters. So I'll just go to my 3D view. I'll just delete this exercise. So now you can see the 3D view wall. This is a generic wall, means there is no material assigned for this wall. So we have to assign a material property and stepped foundation for this wall. So basically there are two types of BIM models. Okay, Revit is nothing but a software or a tool for the BIM model. Okay, BIM is a different thing, Revit is a different thing. Revit is a tool which will help you to create a BIM model. In the market there are a lot of different softwares that will help you to make a BIM model. So basically there are two types of models. One is a intelligent model and second one is a devil model. Okay, so you have to create a intelligent model. So okay, if you create a devil model you will face many problems while documentation and sharing your file. Okay, so if you create an intelligent model, there you will be having a lot of help from your model, which is nothing but a true beam model. Okay, so for example, for this wall I can create a separate stepped foundation. Okay, so there will be two components. Okay, so if you make more components you will make more complexity for your beam model. Okay, so what the Revit has given you advantage to create your stepped foundation along with your wall. So now let us discuss how to create that stepped foundation along with the wall in Revit. So you have to go to file and select one new family. So now from the family we have to select a profile, a hosted metric profile. I'll just open this. So because we have to host this on our wall, so these are our reference plans and this will be our insertion point, the basic point. This point will be our insertion point. So I'll go to create. I'll just select line. I'll just make, before that I will make sure our units are there in meters. So I'll just select meters. I'll take 3 decimal points. I'll press OK. I'll go to create. I will select line. Now I will create a 0.6. I'll create one stepped foundation. 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Now you can see I just created one mirror face of the wall. I'll just select all of my lines. I'll just press DM for mirror and copy. I'll just select the center line. You can see I'll just join this. Now I created one step profile for my wall. I'll just save this family on my desktop as wall foundation final. Just I'll press a name. You can give any name for the family. I'll just load this into my project. It is been loaded. So now I'll just select my wall. I'll go to edit, type, properties. Now you can see the section of the wall. There are two things here. You can view the floor plan of the wall either, or you can view the section of the wall. So for the structure, I will edit the structure. Now you can see these properties, either sweep, modify, merge region, or reveal. These properties will appear only when you activate the section of the wall. If you activate the plan of the wall, these properties will not appear. So I'll just select a section of the wall. Now my sweep is visible, so I'll just select my sweep. I'll just load the profile. I'll select my wall foundation final. I'll open this. Now I have to add this again. Okay, so now I'll select from default because I loaded my profile. I'll just select wall foundation final, and I'll select the material to be a brick common material. Okay, now just I will press on apply. You can see in the section our wall foundation is appearing, so but it is not in the center. I'll just take an offset of minus zero point 0.1. Just I will press apply. You can see now it is there in center, so I'll just press OK. So now the material for the wall, again I will take as brick. I'll just press OK. I'll just press apply. I'll just press OK again. Now you can see in the plan view you are able to see the brick wall foundation. So I'll just go to 3D. You can see if I go to a consistent colors and the shadows to be appeared, you can see because of the dark material it is not visible. You can see if I go to hidden line, the wall foundation is along with our wall. Okay, so this is the way you create an intelligent model. Alright, so there are two ways. If you can create this as two separate families also, but it will create too much objects in Revit file. Okay, so this is the right method in Revit to create one component as wall. Right, so I hope you learned something about how to create a wall foundation, that is stepped wall foundation, and edit its properties. How to edit the properties? Just go to edit, just click on your wall, just go to edit type, just go to edit your structure. Here you can edit your structure, and with the help of sweeps, whatever sweep you are loaded, you can just edit the material, the distance, nothing but the vertical distance from base or from the top. This is the side to the exterior or interior. Offset we discussed. Flip is nothing but it will mirror. These are the properties of the stepped wall foundation. So I'll just press apply. If I go to level 1, I will create one section. We can go to the section. You can see if I go to fine view, you are able to see this wall foundation as one. Okay, so I hope you learned something about how to create and modify the stepped wall foundations in Revit. So our next topic will be how to place rebars. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications.